So a Georgia woman is about to face her third trial for allegedly murdering her husband and making it look like a suicide. Here's why. So Susan Embert has been charged with first-degree murder for allegedly shooting her husband and then staging the scene to make it look like a suicide. And this happened back in 2014, and Embert was already convicted of the crime in 2019. However, the conviction was reversed on appeal when they found out that a juror had a criminal conviction, which made them ineligible for jury duty, essentially nullifying the whole case and having to start over again. And so here's the really wild part. The new trial just started last week and lasted exactly a day because one of the first witnesses, a coroner, testified to something that the judge had ruled was inadmissible, something that the jury wasn't supposed to hear. He said that antifreeze was the reason that he had initially ruled the cause of death as a suicide and later changed it as homicide. Antifreeze is obviously a poison, and I'm not so familiar with the pretrial proceedings, but let's just safe to say that the judge heard all that and decided that it was not for the jury to hear. So trial number 2 essentially ended in a day, and now she's facing trial number 3. But already her defense attorneys have brought it all the way up to the state Supreme Court, arguing that a third trial shouldn't happen and that she's already had her constitutional rights violated and they can't get another bite at the apple. And that would be a really unfortunate result where what's basically 2 mistakes would prevent the family of William Embert from seeking justice in this case. So we have to see what the higher court decides, but please believe that if the third trial starts, the prosecution is going to be making sure everything is tight.